This AI app pays you just to record your voice for AI model training. No skill required. Just record your voice and get paid. Before you get started, listen. This is a brand new AI app paying people just to record their voice. But most people can't access it because it's restricted to a few countries. But don't worry, there is a simple way to join from any location, including Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, India, or literally anywhere in the world, and get approved fast. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to access the app, even if it's not available in your region. I will show you how to get the official invite code needed to sign up successfully. And I will show you how to avoid the most common mistakes that get people rejected from this app. I will also show you how to start earning instantly with your own voice. So ensure you stick around this tutorial. Keep watching and don't miss any part of the video, because this is the full solution you've been waiting for. So let's get started. Go to your App Store or Play Store and download this app. Remember, I told you earlier that this app is not accessible in all countries. So in order to get this app accessible in your region, ensure you stick around this video so I show you everything. You will need a VPN to get to access this app. And if you don't have access to VPN, check in the description below. I'm going to keep a link there to download the VPN app that you will be needing to access this paying AI app. So once you are done, you go ahead and sign up. I am signing up already. You can see if you have signed up before now, you can sign in. But then we are signing up for the sake of this video. So I'm going to sign up using my full detail. I want you to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through and let you know everything that you need before you go on. You can see that invite code is needed for this account to be created successfully. So I'm going to enter the code like I have just done, and then we go on. So in order to get this code, I'm going to also embed it in the description below. So don't worry, you'll get it, and then come to this consent page. You would have to sign your signature. So you sign your signature using a single finger. You can use your hand to sign a signature too. You can see me signing my own. And once that is done, you click Submit to submit it. So it's loading up to submit the signature. Done. So the next step now is to fill our information, and please ensure you fill your information correctly in order to be able to receive your payment. So I'm going to enter my details as I want it to be. This is just a nickname, the eNet Digitals. Then I'm connected to New York, so I'm going to check here and choose my location as New York City because I'm connected to New York. And in this place, you can see the question asked. So I will choose the one that is best for me, which is Central America and South America. That is what I will choose, and then once I'm done, I will choose my gender as male, and then I'll click Save and Continue. The next thing is, this is optional actually. You can add your profile photo if you want to add photo. If you don't want to add, you can skip that part. So let's go to the next step. So I'm done entering my information. I'll click on Submit, and the next step here is my additional details. And the first one is, what is your profession? So I'm going to choose my age first before profession. So you choose 18 to 44. If you are above 45, you can also choose whatever matches your age. So once that is done, you go to the next step, which is the profession. So I'm going to choose my profession here, and once I'm done with that, I'll move to the next step, which is my school. So you can choose any school of your choice depending on the school you are or have completed. So I'm done with high school. I just chose that. And then, of course, English is my language. So I will choose English language. And the next step is any condition with your vocal. Do you have issues with your vocal? You say not applicable because there's nothing like that. So how did you learn English? Is it your native language? So you are going to choose native language unless you are maybe from a French country and you learned English by going to school. You can choose that, but for the sake of this video, I'm choosing English as a native language. And then I'm trying to correct this one here, so I'll correct it to ICT expert. That is actually my profession. So once I'm done with that, I will go to the next step to preview what I have submitted. It says from work, friends, or whatever, and then I click Submit, and go to the next one, which is skin tone. So in this place, you choose whether you are fair, chocolate, black, or whatsoever. So I'm going to choose my own complexion and click Done, Submitted. So here you can see what it says here, to qualify for paid gigs. Before you can qualify for paid gigs, you must record 10 sentences so we can review the quality. Do you understand? So they have to test your voice and see the quality. So make sure you are consistent with the voice you are using and ensure that where you are is not noisy. It should be a background that is very clean, since it says record in environment with no background noise. Can you see that? Poor quality will not be accepted. Then it says try again if you make a mistake. There is a provision for you to record again if you make a mistake. So after you are done with that, flip to next. It says clean selfies and clear backgrounds. When capturing photos or video, make sure the background doesn't include other people. So if you are given a task to also record yourself, make sure that the background is clean. So once you've got everything successfully, the next thing is to click on Get Started in order to get started. Now, we have not been approved yet. This is the text now that we are going to take in order to get approval. So ensure you stick around to see what happens. Don't rush out to start, but please make sure you stick to the end of the video. So let's get started now. So in this place, you can see Tasks Dashboard. Available tasks are completed, so I will allow it to load up. So I will take the task that I will be given to get approval. The next step is to take this. It says First Baseline Project $0. You can see it because it is a text that will qualify me for me to get approval. So I'll go ahead to take the first task. So let's go on. You can see it here. Once I get it correctly, I'll be given the approval. You can see $0. So this is the first one to test me and then approve my sign up. Right now we are going to go ahead to start with our tasks. But look at the tips here. Record yourself reading the sentences. Ensure you record yourself when you are reading. And another advice is, make sure you try as much as possible to read it twice before you go on to start reading. And once you are done, then you submit for review. So you'll be given 10 sentences to read, but they are very short. So I will start with the first one. It says, regular checkups can prevent serious health complications. So I will go ahead to give access to my microphone in order to start recording. Don't mind, this is because I'm recording, so I'm going to remove it and go on to complete the recording process. So yeah, I'm done with the first one. This is the next one. So that is just how it goes until you are done. So once you are done, you go ahead and submit. So I'm going to go ahead to submit this last one now. So I'll submit, done. Thanks for your support. So let's go to my email and check. This is the dashboard now. You can see my next task is $1. So let's go to my email and check if I've received the approval email. Voila! Here is the email. Your account has been approved. So let's open it and see. Congratulations, your account has been approved for paid gigs. The Destiny AI team. So I'm good to go. This is basically how to go about it. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section if you are finding anything difficult, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. I remain my humble self, Emmanuel E. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.